Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I am back showing you guys another quick and easy garlic butter shrimp recipe. Hopefully you enjoy, but before I begin, if you're new here, hi, welcome. Be sure to subscribe. Also, if you enjoyed today's recipe, be sure to give it a thumbs up and let's get started. Alright guys, here's what you need to make today's video. I am using about 1 pound of shrimp. I am leaving the tail on. Also, you will need some dry parsley. Like I said, this is super quick and easy. I am using 4 cloves of garlic. And for my seasoning, I'm using onion powder, garlic powder, paprika, ground black pepper, lemon pepper, Italian seasoning, as well as some salt. And you will need 1 stick of butter. To begin, I am going to drizzle a little bit of oil to my shrimp. Give that a quick mix just like that. Then we're going to season. I'm going to mix it with my hands just like that. Then we are going to cook it. To a preheated skillet, I am going to pour about 2 to 3 tablespoons of avocado oil. Once that is nice and hot, we're going to add in our shrimp. I'm going to cook the shrimp for about 1 minute per side. Once one side is nice and golden brown and the tails are turning pink, you can flip it over. Now I am going to flip it over, allow the other side to be cooked. Like I said, I am cooking it 1 minute per side. Now that the shrimp is nice and cooked, I am going to remove it, set it aside. I have another batch to cook, so I am going to cook the remaining of the last batch. Then I'll show you guys what to do next. And if you're watching right now, you have not subscribed, what are you waiting for? On this channel, I upload new recipes at least 3 times a week, giving you guys ideas on what to cook for your family. So be sure to subscribe, hit the bell while you're at it so you can get ideas on what to cook every single day. Now that we have our shrimp nice and cooked, it looks absolutely delicious. We're going to remove them, set them aside, and we're going to start working on our garlic butter sauce. Now to the same skillet, I am going to add 1 stick of unsalted butter. Once that is nice and melted, you are going to add your minced garlic. Next, I am going to add in my minced garlic. I want it to be nice and garlicky, so that's why I am actually using real garlic. However, you can throw in some garlic powder in there, but you know, it's definitely gonna taste different if you have some fresh garlic cloves in there. Now you are going to cook that for about 30 seconds. Then you are going to pour in some dry parsley. Like I said, this is quick and easy. If you have some fresh parsley, throw that in there, but it doesn't matter. I am going to throw in my look how beautiful, look how, oh, they looking good, they're looking good. Now I'm going to pour in my shrimp, give that a toss here and there. At this point, you can turn off your stove. Your shrimp is nice and cooked already. You just want to mix it with the garlic, and it is absolutely delicious. And this is how easy it is to make yourself some quick and easy garlic butter shrimp at home. Okay guys, thank you so much for watching today's recipe. I hope you guys try this out for your family. As you guys can see, it is absolutely super easy to make, yet it's absolutely delicious. Thank you so much for watching. Be sure to give this video you're watching right now a thumbs up if you enjoy. Also subscribe, and you will see me on the next recipe. Bye guys.